Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to edit Capcut Pictures on your phone. So first thing we're gonna do is open the Capcut application and go into the new project. And after that, since we want to edit the picture, go into the photo sections, right? And after that, go into or choose what photos that we want to edit. For me, I want to edit this. Okay. So let's let's remove the Capcut watermark first. Nice. And after that, I want to do or add more filters on this photos just by clicking this features here. So please take a look on this bottom sections. Without activating the clip, we will see a lot of features that we can use directly. Either we want to edit, this is just like related into the whole clip, like the splitting, tuning animation, and many more. Audio to add audio behind or as a background music of this photo, add in the text, overlay to add more clips, or effects, ratio, and filters. I want to do a filters first, so I want to choose you can just like slide into the left side until we found filters that we want to add. We also can adjust in the intensity of the filters, like here. And after you're done, just click done. And then after that, it will be nice to add more text on it. Let's do add text here and type about the information that you want to put here. For me, traditional market. Okay, let's put a city. Okay, and after that, just go into the style and choose the style of the text that you want to apply it to. Okay, for me, let's try this. Okay, adjusting the space. Okay, go to spacing and scroll into downside, adjusting like this. Okay, so after you're done editing your pictures, you just need to click done and export it. And now you already have your picture edit on Capcut. So that's how the way you edit the picture on Capcut. If you find out this really helpful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.